Wanna know how to change your chat theme in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, on the top right side, you should be seeing this information icon right here, or the info icon. So you can just simply select it. So once you've selected it once here, you should be seeing various options, and now you should be seeing theme as well. So right here you should be seeing theme on the customization, so you can just simply select it. So once you select the theme here, you can just simply select any one of these. So you can see various themes right here. You can just choose any one of these and then select, and your themes would be sent and changed, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.